Still in South Africa, let's talk about the SKA, the Square Kilometre Array. It's a massive global initiative. Part of it is based right here in Africa. It took another step forward with the launching of an optical telescope in Sutherland. Now, this is some 245 kilometres from Carnarvon, which is home to the 64-dish array. CGTN's Angelo Coppola filed this report.
The SKA is all about radio telescopes, while the observatory in Sutherland is an optical observatory and home to the South African Large Telescope, or SALT.
We didn't know, even ourselves as a DST, that the scientists will begin to look at this reserve as an area where they can begin to invest in instruments that would begin to, for instance, we had today that for the first time the scientists will have an opportunity to follow a radio telescope and being able with this Meerlicht to do tracking of stars and the transients that we don't know how they evolve, something that didn't happen before.
The creators of the Meerlicht telescope needed to solve a very specific problem.
So the innovation is to link with the Meerkat radio telescope in real time, all the time. So wherever Meerkat is looking, Meerlicht will automatically look robotically at the same part of the sky all the time.
So the unique feature about this particular telescope is that it combines a wide field of view with a very high spatial resolution, so very sharp images. And to be able to actually get that, we needed to use carbon fiber material. We needed to have a 110 megapixel CCD.
The observatory is just 15 kilometers outside of Sutherland, and they play an active role in the community.
And we really want to make an impact. And education is what our passion is. You know, you could be involved in many things, but education is really a key how to lift communities, how to impact from all the way from primary school to high school. So over the years we've been involved in community development, but especially in things like science education, funding science teachers, math teachers, providing science labs.
On an economic level, the country also benefits.
We see this as a return on investment on the strategy that we embarked on a couple of years ago. But we see this as well as an investment that we are getting back, because remember that these telescopes are not just an eye in the sky, but there are also a lot of investment in terms of the electronics, in terms of data analysis, the transportation of data.
The mysteries of the universe are one step closer to being resolved, thanks to the developments here at the National Observatory in Sutherland. I'm Angelo Coppola for CGTN in the Northern Cape.